Hey guys, it's Brendan here again. It's been a while since I made an electronics video. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to watch DVDs onto a projector with without having to listen to the fan noise and audio coming out of the projector simultaneously. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. So are, so are you guys just tired of just watching DVDs onto a projector without I mean with listening to the fan noise and the audio coming out of the projector? Here's what you'd well well that's what I'm gonna be showing you how to connect a DVD player, your DVD player, to speakers. And and for this you'll need several items. You'll need a DVD player of your choice. You'll need a composite video cable. It has to be only the video cable for this. You will need you will need you will need a left and right audio kit to 3.5 millimeter aux cable. And of course, you will need a 3.5 millimeter aux to to a to a TS or TRS connector converter. All right. Uh, all right, let's get into the steps. Okay, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to I like to rotate the DVD player. Um so you see these ports on the back of your DVD player? You have and these are RCA only. There's no special ones, like there's no special outputs like HDMI as video. And I guess as video died off like a really long time ago. But this is and but this is like a standard DVD player, standard def. Um, there's nothing really special about this except about the fact that it has a digital output for a digital coaxial output for a stereo system. But enough with that. Let's get into it. Okay, guys. So the first thing you want to do right here is take hold on. All right. First thing you want to do right here is you want to take your one end of your yellow composite video cable um and plug it into the RCA output labeled video out. If you plug it into any of the component video outputs, for example, if you plug into the green one, you'll get grayscale. If you plug it into the red one, it's going to show nothing. If you plug it into the blue one, it's going to show like a really weird blue color. Okay, so you always want to hook up the yellow to yellow. Um, back in the day, we didn't have DVD players, and we didn't color code these type of connectors yet. But there you go. That's what you want to do. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up this DVD player. Hold on. Okay, now I have now this yellow connector, this yellow jack connected. Hold on, let me just. Um, I'm sorry, guys. It's just. There we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take the other end of your video cable, and you want to connect. Oh, and you want to connect it to this yellow input on on your on your projector's AV adapter right here, like this. And the only thing that should be and the only signal that should be coming out of this projector is the video signal. So that's all right now. I'm gonna set that up like just like that. Okay. Okay. Now that that has been done, we are what what you're gonna do next is you're going to take. Oh boy. Okay, you're gonna want to like. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna locate your audio jacks. On. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your red RCA audio connector, and plug it into the red audio jack. Plug the white one to the white audio jack. Okay, now we can finally. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do, like, take your adapter to and plug it into this end of the. Hold on, let me just. Okay. Now you're gonna want to take this end of your audio cable. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Yeah, so take this end and plug it into your amplifier's input like that. Now you're all set up. Um, if your amplify Here's one important thing to note. If your amplifier has these aux audio inputs left and right, um, don't connect them up to a DVD player. I know, I know, I know you could. I know you could hook up the output, the audio outputs of the DVD player, um, into the inputs of an amplifier like this. But unfortunately, that will not work. It's because for two reasons. One, it's because this DVD player does not have a built-in volume. Even though this remote button does, this this remote button doesn't. The volume button doesn't really do anything on this remote. Um, And and another thing is that these inputs are not affected by these knobs. So that's why you want to hook up the outputs into the guitar input on your amplifier. Okay. Okay, so now that we have everything, huh, so now that we have all the connections in place, um, it's time to turn the projector on. See the green light that's powering up. You'll you'll get a loading screen, but depending on your projector, it may not be like that. Okay, okay, so you always want to make sure that your projector is set on the input labeled AV. It's gonna say no signal. That's just because I don't have the DVD player turned on. So let me go ahead right now and do that right now. Here we go. And boom, look at that. Look at what you have. Oh, also, I need to turn the amplifier on. Okay. Okay, now you're, now you, okay, le, okay, okay, now let's go get a DVD for testing. Okay, guys, I have the movie I'm gonna be using for testing. I'm gonna use Open Season, for example. All right. Okay, let that bad boy load up. Fire it, load up. Nice, dude. Dude, we have the sound coming out of the amp. That's just what I need. Oh, dude, this is per. Yeah, I've hit menu. N- nice, dude. I'm sure that you'll get to wherever you want to go. Lead the way, man. I know exactly where we're going. Dude, dude, we did it, man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. It's pretty cool that. Yeah, dude. Very easy to do and very impressive. Yeah, dude. It's awesome when you don't have to when you don't have to use a projector to listen to the audio. Um, when you have an amp, but it just takes a few simple steps. Um, yeah, but that's my tutorial on how to like on how to watch DVDs through on a projector without using the fan, without listening to the fan on here and audio coming out. Um, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's what the fan noise sounds like. Um, um, but yeah, um, that was my tutorial on how to. Yeah, yeah, that was my tutorial. Till I see you guys next time. Take care. Have a good day.